do it. Welcome to the first unboxed video of our Cold Side Chargepipe for the 11-16 Powerstrokes. Let's get into it. All right, so guys, right out of the box, you are gonna get the Chargepipe, of course. You're gonna get a 400 Psi Rated Boot. You are gonna get 2 stainless clamps, and you are gonna get the retaining clamp that you need. Also, for your at-home guys, you get the full instruction guide on how to install it. All right, so obviously, you're gonna see that this kind of speaks for itself. This thing, this is a stock Chargepipe. This thing is, it's plastic. This thing is gonna leave you on the side of the road. This thing sucks. You don't want that one. So like I said right off the bat, the build quality on this is incredible. This thing's pretty durable. So you're gonna get that Chargepipe, of course, and you're gonna get a 400, rated up to 400 PSI boot. So this thing's pretty tough. And of course, these are spring loaded, pretty standard with any of our Chargepipes. And then the factory Ford retaining clamp. And at the end of the day, this is not gonna leave you on the side of the road like that other Chargepipe will. All right, guys, it's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thanks for watching. Some quick bullet points on this one. Build quality, lower EGTs because it is gonna flow better, and it's gonna look a lot better while doing it. All right, we'll see you guys next time.